ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वती व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्
मुदीरये।
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी
भक्ति भवति नष्टकी।
ग्रंथ श्रीमद् भागवतम की श्रील प्रभुपाद की
जय।
सब इकट्ठे भक्तों की
जय।
जय। हरे कृष्णा। आप लोग सब आगे आ जाइए। So thank you all for taking time out on Friday evening, that too in Dubai. चलो कोई और गाँव है तो लोग सोचते हैं ठीक है कहाँ जाएंगे, भगवत चर्चा में ही चलते हैं। और दुबई में ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत एवेन्यूज हैं। ओके, सो एनीबॉडी रिमेम्बर्स लास्ट टाइम व्हाट वी वर डिस्कसिंग? हाँ, कुछ आवाज आई। करदम मुनि का। तो व्हाट हैपेंड टू करदम मुनि? आ गया यही माता जी। आप माता जी आप यहाँ आ सकती
बुला
हैं,
रहे हैं उनको। पूनम पूनम
यहाँ पे आ जाइए आप लोग।
बुला रहे हैं।
हाँ जी, तो करदम मुनि ने क्या किया? उनके 9 पुत्रियां हुई, कपिल देव भगवान स्वयं प्रकट हुए और फिर करदम मुनि ने क्या किया? वो वन को चले गए। और क्या रीजन था उनके वन का जाने का? जो भगवान ही स्वयं प्रकट हुए, स्टिल ही लेफ्ट। वाई? हाँ, फॉलो द स्क्रिप्चर्स, वर्णाश्रम, एंड ही वॉज फॉलोइंग द ट्रेडिशनल कि पहले इस उम्र से इस उम्र तक ब्रह्मचर्य, फिर उसके बाद में गृहस्थ, फिर वानप्रस्थ, फिर तो दैट इज व्हाट ही वाज फॉलोइंग। बट प्रभुपाद राइट्स कि वी डोंट हैव टू डू दैट, वी आर फ्रॉम सिटी लाइफ। इतना इंस्पिरेशन लेकर के कि भाई चलो, वो अभी प्रभु से बात हो रही थी, अभी 2-4 मच्छर काट लेते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। तो जंगल में जाने का अर्थ क्या है? यू कैन इमेजिन। हाँ, हरे कृष्णा। ओके, सो इसका स्क्रिप्चर्स में क्या प्रूफ है? प्रभुपाद ने तो बोल दिया ठीक है जी कि नहीं जाना चाहिए, वन शुड नॉट गो, बट व्हाट आर द स्क्रिप्चर्स सेइंग अबाउट? डू वी हैव टू रियली लीव होम एंड गो टू द फॉरेस्ट? सो श्रीमद् भागवतम 10:14-3, प्लीज रिपीट आफ्टर मी। ज्ञाने प्रयासम उदपास्य नमन्त एव जीवन्ति सन्मुखार्वितं भवदीयवार्तां स्थाने स्थिता श्रुतिगतान् तनुवान् मनोभेर् ये प्रयासोजित जितोऽपि यस्य तस्य त्रिलोक्यम्। तो भागवतम इज टेलिंग ज्ञाने प्रयासम, यानी ज्ञान का जो नॉलेज का जो एंडेवर है, उदपास्य, उसको तो वन शुड गिव अप। उदपास्य मीन्स गिव अप that technical knowledge, if this will happen, that will happen, and then too much of analytical studies in the Gyan Marg, because Gyan Marg can become very dry philosophy. For example, in Panchang, you know what is Panchang? वो डेट्स लिखी रहती है उसमें, हाँ हिंदी तिथि का कैलेंडर। In that you will find it is written, Mataji, you come in the front here, come here. It is written there that this year 20 inches of rainfall will happen. But you squeeze the Panchang, not even one drop will come out. Like that is the knowledge path. We can discuss and discuss, but no rus. Shushk Gyan ka kya fayda? Dry knowledge, what we will do? At the end of it, whatever we are doing is for enjoyment. If we are not getting enjoyment, there is something wrong. In the following of some process is wrong itself, that means. Because it must result in some kind of anand. So, what Bhagavatam is telling, Jnane Prayasam, Udpasya, give up the dry knowledge completely. Namanta eva, one should do naman. Jivanti sat mukharitam, with one's own mouth till one is alive. Bhavadiya vartam, one should discuss topics about Lord Krishna. That is what is to be done. But one can say, should one go home or should one stay at home, or one should go to the forest? Then Bhagavatam tells us, Sthane sthitaha. It's a very famous. Sthane means sthan, wherever you are. Sthita.
In situ.
Wherever you are sitting, from there only one should glorify and chant Lord Krishna's names and pastimes. Shruti gatan tanu vak manobhir. And one should hear, and with the mouth one should, and mind should chant. That is what it is to be done. So, it is clear, no need to go to the forest. Sthane sthita shruti gatam. Wherever one is there, from there the route goes. So today,
Sorry, Prabhu, contradicting me, one ashram here.
so see, everything is in related to time, place and circumstance. Now in the previous Treta Yuga, instead of 100, it was 1000. Before that, it was 100,000. What is it? 100,000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. And there also they were, so they could follow this. But nowadays, if you go to the doctor, he will give you fever mixture. Now you take, by evening you are okay. Like this here also, everything is getting simplified. So yes, one can go, provided that is the kind of environment and that is the kind of upbringing and that is the kind of age, and you have that health, you have the time, you can go. Hare Krishna. Then it is okay. But otherwise, and also it depends on your situation.
Yes, Prabhu. I was about to.
If it is Grahastha ashram,
Yes, I was about to say that.
yes. Then if the duty is not completed and you go, I'll share with you, in Mahindra Retail I had one colleague of mine. He was little bit with a disturbed kind of personality. One day he was telling me, when he was very young, one Udiya fellow, he was maybe in his class 5 or 6, his father decided, I am leaving home, I will stay somewhere close by, but I am going to stay outside the city, I will make my hut, I am going to stay there. He said the moment he decided that, neither could he peacefully do devotional service, nor the family could do. Because you are, see, there also, it's a very thin line between laziness and being spiritual. Spiritual means you will be more hardworking than a materialist.
Yeah.
But it can be, I remember once one coach came to our Mahindra Retail. He said, you know, ये जो होते हैं ना सब भगवान का जो नाम गुणगान कर रहे हैं, सब कामचोर होते हैं. अरे भाई, बोले वो लड़ाई वड़ाई करने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होते हैं. Don't want to fight at all. I said, why? He said, I have seen it. I said, that is wrong implementation. He said, how you can prove? I said, Baba, look at Bhagavad Gita. Arjun wanted to fight? No. After hearing, did he fight? He fought vigorously. So Bhagavad Gita is telling, don't fight. I mean, what conclusion is this? But yes, people take out these conclusions to become lazy. क्या रखा है सब मोह माया दुरत्या देवी ईशी गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्या, why should I work? But they don't know. न कर्मणा मनारंभात नैष्क्रम्यम पुरुषश्नुते. If one doesn't do work, that also is a bad work and the result will come. Like children. Huh? Suppose children, they have got exam and they say, I am not going to study. What will be the result? This is how. So today we are going to cover 5 topics, Krishna willing. One is, should we leave home for doing devotional service? First point covered. Second, what is the definition of sense gratification and devotional service? Third, when does get one chance to hear Krishna Katha as per the Srimad Bhagavatam? Fourth, that is today's main topic. Has Krishna put us in Maya? ये भगवान आपने सब कुछ बनाया, हमें भी बनाया, माया भी आपने बनाया, आपने हमें माया में डाला, मेरा क्या प्रॉब्लम, मेरा तो कोई कसूर ही नहीं है. So has he put us in Maya? And number 5, 7 golden keys to be always happy. Today that is what we are going to discuss. Okay, let's see. One more thing is there. As far as possible, we should not think of the people who are not thinking about us. I can say for myself, I waste a lot of time in that. Lot of people are not thinking about me, but I am thinking about them. That is called wasteful thinking. No need to do this. We should think of the one who is always thinking about us. Makes sense, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's come back to. So now Kardam Muni has left, and Kapil Dev, Supreme Personality, is there at Kardam Muni's home at the Bindu Sarovar. And Devahuti Mata, she actually asked Kardam Muni, you are going, what will happen to me? So he said, don't worry, Kapil Bhagwan will take care of you and he will also enlighten you. So now Devahuti Mata is asking Kapil Bhagwan. Devahutir Uvacha. This is, I can relate to this one. Nirvinna. Nitaram. Bhumahan. Asad Indriya. Tarshanat. Yena. Sambhavya. Manina. Prapannandham. Tama Prabho. So Devahuti Uvacha. Devahuti said, Nirvinna. Nirvinna का मतलब है disgusted, tired. हरे कृष्णा. निर्विन्ना मतलब परेशान हो जाना. Devahuti, she bore 9 girls and Kapil Maharaj himself. Husband is Kardam Muni, not an ordinary. Brahmaji's son's daughter, Brahmaji's grandfather. She is saying, Nirvinna, I am disgusted. I am tired of what? Nitaram Bhuman, I am very disgusted. Asat Indriya Tarshanat. Tarshanat matlab agitation. I am disgusted with these asat, impermanent indriya of the senses which are agitating. I am tired of it. All of us, see, one thing, who all are sitting here now, unfortunately, you will not be able to meet one person. Who is that? Huh?
Who doesn't like Krishna?
यमराज. आप मिलना भी चाहो तो आप नहीं मिल सकते हो. Because Yamaraj has told his Doot, wherever anybody chants Krishna's names or his pastimes, Lord Ram names his pastimes, उनके तो दूर ही रहना उनसे. दूर ही मत, वहां तो जाना भी मत. So she said, Nirvinna Nitaram Bhuman, I am tired and disgusted of the agitation of these senses, which is Tarshanat, agitation. And therefore, Prapanna, I have fallen. Prapannaya, I have fallen where? Andh Tamaha. Andh का मीनिंग क्या है जी? डार्क. और तमह इग्नोरेंस. तमह का मीनिंग डार्क भी है, मतलब डीप डार्क. हरे कृष्णा. मतलब because of the completely agitating senses, I have fallen into a very, very dark ignorance, mode of ignorance. Haribol. This is the situation. Translation is, I am very sick of disturbance caused by my material senses. For because of this sense disturbance, my Lord, I have fallen into the abyss of ignorance. She is telling her son, Lord Kapil Dev. Now see this. Amazing purport. Prabhupada writes, beyond these temporary senses are our permanent senses. मतलब कोटिंग चढ़ी हुई है, जैसे गोल्ड के ऊपर पीतल, उल्टा होता है वैसे, बट नेवरदलेस, नीचे गोल्ड है, ऊपर पीतल. The permanent senses being contaminated by matter are not acting properly. तो ऊपर हमारे सेंसेस अलग हैं, नीचे असली वाली सेंसेस हैं वो दबी पड़ी है, ऊपर एजिटेशन हो रहा है. इसलिए अदरवाइज इफ दीज वर परमानेंट सेंसेस वी वुड नॉट फील द डिस्टर्बेंस. If I and senses are the same, then I will not feel the disturbance. I am something different. Then only I can feel the disturbance. So the permanent senses are different from the temporary ones, and therefore we can feel the difference. All of us we can feel. This is how it is. Then he writes, devotional service therefore involves freeing the senses from this contamination. As and when we are doing devotional service, it is getting cleansed. That means devotional service removes contamination. And permanent senses act in unalloyed Krishna consciousness. So, if the act is happening in permanent senses, that is called devotional service. So, we do devotional service to remove the contamination, to do the devotional service. This is Bhagavatam. We start with devotional service, then these temporary senses are removed, and after that, again back to devotional service, because that is the. So right now that's why we do and break. There it is uninterrupted. Okay. Prabhupada writes, eternal sensory activities are called devotional service. Now let us see, define sense gratification and devotional service. See, activity done for temporary senses is called sense gratification. Activity done for temporary senses is called sense gratification. Activity done for permanent senses is called devotional service. Now,
डीप बात बोल दिया.
हाँ, अब ये प्रभुपाद, मैं तो कुछ नहीं. Gratification done as a separate self is called sense gratification. I am separate from Krishna. I will gratify. That is called sense gratification. Gratification as part and parcel of Krishna is called devotional service. See, activity is the same. If it is done as considering I am separate, sense gratification. If it is done I am part and parcel, devotional service. Okay. Now Prabhupada explains, when do we get to hear the transcendental message of Krishna? Prabhupada Uvacha. Unless, please repeat, unless one becomes tired of material sense gratification, there is no opportunity to hear transcendental messages from a person like Kapila. So we all are sitting here, that means somewhere Krishna has made us. It may not be 100%, 2%, 3%. We are feeling the tiredness of the material senses. Sansara dava navikal hoka. Meaning that is the complete agitation which is happening, uske liye ye hai. So the primary qualification, we will not be able to get and hear the message of Krishna unless somebody gets tired of material sense gratification. So she said, now you have to help me. You are the only means of getting out of this darkest region of ignorance. Devahuti Mata is telling, हाँ जी, अब देखिए, amazing. Devahuti Mata is saying this. I am not saying, so see what she is saying. Athme deva sammoham apakrashtum tvam arhasi yo अवग्रहो
अवग्रहो
अहम
अहम
मामेति
मामेति
एतस्मिन्
एतस्मिन्
योजितस्त्वया.
योजिजस्त्व योजिजस्.
Amazing. First I'll do the translation, then word to word. Let's see. Now be pleased, my Lord. Devuti is telling Kapil Muni to dispel my great delusion. Now what she is saying. Due to my feeling of false ego, I have been engaged by your Maya and have identified myself with the body and consequently body relations. I have been engaged by your Maya and have identified myself with the body and consequent bodily relations. Means what? Who is responsible here?
बट ये तो wrong लग रहा है.
अभी वही तो होता, मैं यही तो, this is Bhagavatam. Very clearly, now be pleased, my Lord, to dispel my great delusion. Due to my feeling of false ego, I have been engaged by your Maya and have identified myself with the body and consequent bodily relations. So therefore, Krishna is responsible for putting me in Maya. This is the conclusion drawn from here. Yeah, I am not saying, she is saying, she is telling Lord Krishna himself, she is telling. Okay. Even here, due to my feeling of false ego. When do you feel false ego? When we are in Maya.
Maya.
Matlab, I am feeling false ego because of your Maya. I am feeling that I am body because of your Maya. I am relating with my bodily relations because of your Maya. So who is responsible?
You.
You are responsible. Don't blame me. अब मेरा भी यही सीन है. It's the same thing. So has Krishna put me in Maya? Answer is yes only. Actually the answer, okay, we'll come to the answer. Purport Prabhupada says, the false ego of identifications one body as oneself is called Maya. One identifying with the body is Maya. She is saying, I am feeling false ego, meaning I am in Maya because of you. Very clear. Now, okay, we covered this, that who is responsible. So what is the answer? Is Krishna responsible for putting me in Maya? Devuti Mata is saying this. Yes and no. Hare Krishna. Achintya Veda Veda. That is the beauty of Srimad Bhagavatam. Everything is contradictory but still reconciled. Okay, the answer is actually yes. He has put us in Maya. But sentence is not complete.
We also wanted to.
What is this? Correct. Because we have left Krishna with no choice. Your point. We have not left him with any choice. Therefore, he has put us in Maya. Abhi kaise? See, we want to have sense gratification separately from Krishna. But who are we? Part and parcel, Mame Vanshu. But we still want to enjoy separately. How to make it happen?
By putting you in Maya.
First he has to create a separate identity. Otherwise you will gratify with him only. That is called devotional service. So therefore, Krishna has no choice but to create false ego and let the soul feel that you are separate from me and now you can enjoy the sense gratification. मतलब थोड़ा सीरियस मामला है यहाँ पे, बट मतलब है, the way it has been explained by Prabhupada and Devahuti Mata, that's what she is saying. I have been put by you. But अभी करें क्या? Sense gratification की इच्छा हुई थी. As soon as the living entity wants instead to enjoy himself by sense gratification, he is captured by Maya. बनाया इसलिए सिस्टम, अलग से आपको करना है तो भैया ये लो फॉल्स ईगो, अब इस ईगो के साथ करते रहना, मजे मारते रहना. जब टायर्ड हो जाओगे तब आना. जैसे अभी माता जी वेट है, सपोज आराध्य इज देयर, राइट, एंड शी इज क्राइंग, Radhya is there. She is crying, crying, crying. Now first Mataji will give one, वो क्या चूसने वाला होता है,
लॉलीपॉप
हैं? पैसिफायर. देखो नाम भी उसका पैसिफायर है. ऐसी माया का चक्कर है, पैसिफायर दे देती है, पकड़ो. So first Mataji is very busy in cooking because Prabhu has to have prasad. But Prabhu cooks also actually. So it's a different matter here.
रॉन्ग एग्जांपल
Wrong example.
टेक माय एग्जांपल प्रभु
Okay, Prabhu gives pacifier. That is better. Now Aradhya has two choices. One choice, Mataji, what she does? When you give pacifier,
We have to carry her. Then
oh, we have to carry. So she is elevated soul. मेरे जैसा pacifier आ गया, okay, be happy. So most of the time, जैसे you give a toy to the kid, mother is very busy, here is a toy, she is enjoying now the toy, चलो भैया मजा लो इसमें, mother is also free, ठीक है, no problem. But when the child says no, I don't want any toy, I want mother, फिर mother cannot hold herself, he has to come. तो ऐसे ही वो false ego बना दिया. Now you get tired of this first. So entire process is to tire us out. We can, huh? हाँ. But we are very courageous. We don't get tired easily. नहीं हम तो करेंगे. हरि बोल.
प्रभु कैन यू एक्सटेंड दैट पॉइंट यू सेड ना कृष्णा हैज नो चॉइस
हाँ देखो, I was enjoying life coolly in Golok Vrindavan once upon a time, correct? Now मेरा मूड हुआ सोल का, चलो I want to enjoy separately. Why should I enjoy under a boss? Actually, boss is a wrong example. Because you remember that one example is there, that all the body parts, one day they gathered. They said everything is eaten by the stomach and work we are doing. So why should we work? So they went on a strike. So hand stopped working, legs stopped moving, mind stopped working, eyes stopped seeing, hearing stopped, everything stopped. Now nothing is going in stomach. After 1 week again they met. They were all like this. Because they are part and parcel of Krishna. Part and parcel of the stomach. Now nothing is going in stomach. So they also cannot enjoy. Meaning unless the stomach enjoys, body parts cannot enjoy. It's not slave relationship. It is part and parcel relationship. If the stomach is not enjoying, I cannot enjoy.
इट्स अ प्रोसेस
Is a hands will not be. I will not feel satisfied. The mind will not feel satisfied. Hunger will not be quenched. Thirst will not be quenched unless and until water goes in this. But if I start thinking यार सब कुछ इसमें जा रहा है, मैं क्यों काम करूं? So it's a for the complete whole it has to be done. So now the soul I wanted to enjoy separately. Ab I am part and parcel. So how will I enjoy separately? It is constitutionally not possible. How will I enjoy? Like sun and sun rays. Abhi you ask the sun ray be separate from here. How it will be? It cannot be. It is one and different. Achinta Veda Ved. Like this I want. So now Krishna has no choice. He created one self, a false ego. Okay, this soul false ego is this. Now this false ego can enjoy separately with the matter. So it is enjoying. Now soul is not getting nourished because the false ego is enjoying, not the soul. So the soul start feeling fatigued and tired. अरे बहुत हो गया यार, छोड़ो ना अभी. That. So that means we are tired of the sense gratification because soul is also feeling 1 second little enjoyment feeling comes and it goes. Prabhupada said reduction in misery is material happiness. देखो क्या, what a profound statement. Reduction in material misery. Reduction in misery is material happiness. I'll give you an example. Once I had broken my leg. So they put the plaster and I had a crutch also. Now I am in terrible, miserable condition. Then after 3 weeks he removed the plaster. But crutch is still there. Pain is little less. I am feeling very happy. Chalo, plaster to utara. Now is this material, is this happiness? It is reduction in misery. Earlier I was more miserable, now I am lesser miserable. So I am feeling, oh, I am very happy. Okay, clear Prabhuji? So therefore self-ego has been created. We left Krishna with no choice because we wanted to enjoy separately. If anyone wants to forget him and enjoy this material world, he gives him full facility so that one can enjoy a separate identity and not as Krishna part and parcel. What is the time, Prabhuji?
9:18.
Okay. So, this is the answer to has Krishna put us in Maya. Now let us come to 7 golden keys to remain happy. Only challenge is we have to remind each other every time we meet. Because if we remember, we will be happy. Otherwise, sarvasya cha hridhi sannivishto matta smrtir jnanam aponam cha. He will make us forget, तब फिर ये keys काम करना बंद कर देंगे. Okay, let us start. Number 1. Mantrayate iti mantra. Even one round, whatever, we must chant. Please chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So if one this is done, then one will be chant and be happy. One will be happy. But what is the scriptural evidence that one will be happy by chanting? Please repeat. Cheto darpanamarjanam, bhavaha davagni nirvapanam, Shreya Kairav Chandrika Vitaranam, Vidyavadhu Jivanam, Anandam Buddhi Vardhanam, Pratipadam, Purna Amrit Aswadanam, Sarvatma Snapanam, Param Vijayate, Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. बस संकीर्तन में one if is there, definitely one will be happy. Because here it says Anand Ambudhi Vardhanam. Ambudhi means ocean. Anand Ambudhi, ocean full of Anand. Vardhanam,
बढ़ेगा.
it is ever increasing. Pratipadam, at every step. Because Purna Amrit Aswadanam. Because full nectar is being given, not in few drops or something. Therefore, number 1, no matter what, some chanting must be done as much as possible. If not, chalte phirte, cooking karte, whatever, one should chant. This is the first thing. So, 7 golden keys. First golden key is chanting. Because mantrayate iti mantra. Mind is agitated. To make it settled, this is the process. Okay. Second, we have to remind each other and remember that all are winners. Nobody is a loser. Even beggar is a winner. Everybody is a winner. Nobody is a loser. Why?
तो अपना काम कर रहे हैं.
अपना काम करो. Good. खाली हाथ आए थे. We never brought anything. So there should not be any cause of worry that I will lose something. I can only lose if I brought something with me. Actually, my Guru Maharaj used to say, this body is also self-healing. If body was not to self-heal, Krishna would have sent a first aid box at the time of birth, which he has not sent. वैसे ही काम चल जाता है. So first one is chanting. Second one, all are remembering this. Third, please repeat. I am going. I am going. I am going. बराबर है प्रभु जी. We are going where we want to. But you said it right. We want to go to Golok. So that is our journey. So if we remember every day 3 times morning, just repeat in front of Krishna, I am going. You take care. Then if I anyway know I don't have to lose anything, anyway I am also going, It's like being on vacation. Vacation, one night if AC is not working properly, we will complain, we will shout this, that. But okay, only one night I have to be here. You will pacify yourself and come back. Same here also.
अपनी जर्नी को उनको सौंप दी है, उसके बाद वो आगे जा रहे हैं।
वो तो फिर तो भाई सौंप दिया तो फिर तो
I am going बोल के बता दिया,
वाह।
ले जाएंगे जाने जब।
वो अर्जुन ने भी यही किया था. सुबेरे वो रथ पे बैठ जाता था लड़ने के लिए, बोला आई एम गोइंग, नाउ यू राइड वेर यू वांट मी. At the end of, he was pushing Krishna's back, lower back with his feet. Take right, take left, take this, do this.
गीता सुनने के बाद
हाँ जी. गीता सुनने के बाद अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था कि मैं आपका शिष्य हूँ और अभी ये. So this is the beauty of devotees. So first one is, second, all are winners. Third is,
I'm going.
I am going. Now, remembering that we are part and parcel of Krishna. Please repeat. Mame vanshu jiva loke
Mamevachu jivaloke
jiva bhuta sanatanaha
jivabhuta sanatana
manah shashthani indriyani
vedasthani indrani
प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति
pratisthani karshati
मम एव अंश, केवल मेरा अंश है. अब ये रिमेंबर करने से, ये मानने से आनंद कैसे आएगा? हैप्पीली है ना. दिस इज वन ऑफ द गोल्डन कीज. यू रिमेंबर दैट आई एम कृष्णा's पार्ट एंड पार्सल, देन आई विल बी हैप्पी. क्यों भाई? जस्ट बाई रिमेंबरिंग हैप्पी क्यों हो जाऊंगा मैं? दैट आई एम कृष्णा's पार्ट एंड पार्सल. नथिंग टू लूज अलग पॉइंट हो गया
आपने अपने को सौंप रखा है.
है, सौंप रखा है. ओके, नथिंग टू लूज करेक्ट ऑल्सो. जाना ही उसके पास है. आई एम पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ नॉट समबडी नॉर्मल. आई एम ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिरादिर गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम. So I am not just part and parcel. I am part and parcel of Sat, Chit and Anand.
The Almighty.
हाँ, सत मतलब eternal, चित मतलब all full of knowledge, आनंद means top most आनंद.
परमानंद.
देखो भाई, जिसके पास जो होता है वही दूसरे को देता है. If you go to a miserable person in the office early morning and you expect that somebody will give you lot of bliss, नहीं होगा भाई. अब उसको बेचारे की क्या गलती है? वो बेचारा घर से लेके आया है. अब घर वाले की क्या गलती है? उसको कहीं और से. वो पूरी एक चेन रिएक्शन इज हैपनिंग. तो ऑफिस में लिख के रखना चाहिए, प्लीज प्रसाद यहाँ नहीं बांटे हैं, यहाँ प्रसाद बांटना मना है. जो है भैया ये. So this is why remembering that we are part and parcel will make us happy, because we are part and parcel of सच्चिदानंद विग्रह. ओके जी. अभी नंबर 5, टू बी हैप्पी वी मस्ट डू आवर ड्यूटी. सुनने में तो बहुत इजी है, बट वी मस्ट डू आवर ड्यूटी. सी, बेस्ट वे ऑफ गेटिंग रिलीव्ड फ्रॉम स्ट्रेस इज व्हाट? In terms of office work, homework, whatever work, finish your work.
Finish your work.
If you finish it, then only you will be happy. So Baba, do your duty. Otherwise, na karmana manarambhat नैष्क्रम्यम पुरुषश्नुते. नहीं काम करोगे तो पिटाई होगी.
यहाँ तो
बेटर है कर लो. Somebody said बड़ी गलती हो गई काम करके. भाई गलती होगी उससे जो काम करेगा. जो काम करते नहीं उसमें गलती क्या होगी? Okay, but doing duty is not good enough. There is one more key. Key number 6 to be happy. Any guesses? Okay. Dedicate to Krishna. Very good. Remembering Krishna. Very good. Any other?
chanting his name
Chanting his name.
and association with devotees.
Okay, association with devotees. But duty is to be done. Okay, without attachment.
And not worried about
Reading Bhagavatam, Jai Ho. Oh, then you will be
Not worried about results.
क्या बात है. This is very good point. That day there was that video came. Keshav Bhagwan Prabhu. He is explaining that don't judge your success by the result. Judge your success by the effort you have put into it. This is Karma Yoga only, no? Karmanyavadi. So put it nicely. So one should do the duty, but to be happy, there is one more thing to be done. Duty should be done as per the role given. Suppose I am a policeman. I am doing duty, but I am doing duty of a thief. Then how will I be happy? अभी husband wife है. Their duty is to do the grahastha ashram. He says, no, I am your brother, I am my sister. The crude example, but duty should be done as per the role.
Yes.
Then only one will be happy. If we do somebody else's role, we cannot be happy. So duty has to be done of one's duty, not other person's duty. This is very important. Okay. Number 7. We have to remember for whom we work, that person will get the result. Suppose Mamta Mataji does very nice work in office. Rahul Bhargav will get promotion. And suppose I do a big blunder in company, will you be punished? No.
अपना खुद ही संभालो.
Whosoever does the work, that person only gets the result. So therefore, if we remember this, and if we work for Krishna, then how will I get the result? Yes or no? If I do my work, it is my, then I am doing it for the temporary senses. Then false ego has to pay the price for it. Because jhelo bhaiya abhi. But if the soul is saying, I am part and parcel, I am doing work for you, then instead of sense gratification, it has become devotional service. So this is point number 7. And how to do this? We have always discussed this. Favorite shloka of our seva. Please repeat. Yat karosi yadasnasi. Yajjahosi dadasi yat. Yat tapasyasi kaunteya. Tat kurushva matarpanam. See, consciousness matters. It only matters. Consciousness. See, there was one dacoit was there. So that dacoit went to one Acharya and he said, you please give me some mantra, because I have done so much of misdeeds that I will never be able to come out of it. You please take me in the shelter. He said, that is not a worry. But what you do is, first you go. Before I give you, he said, give me initiation. He said, before I do that, you chant this mantra and then you come back. He said, how will I know that now I am eligible to come to you and take initiation? He said, okay, you take this lathi, one stick. That was a brown stick. He said, when it turns, you go to all the tirth, etc. After that, when it gets changed into green, that time you come to me and I will give you mantra and I will give you initiation. He said, okay, that's very good. So he took the stick and he went. Now he was going outside the village. He is going to the Tirthatan because he has been told, apna thoda pun paap kam karo, thoda Tirthatan karke aao. So he went for the Tirthatan. When he was going, he was resting under a huge banyan tree. So there were 4 very senior dacoits on top of it. They were planning in the night, tonight, this village, let us burn all of them. They all will be asleep. This is a very, very rich village. Let us completely burn them, plunder, and they have a lot of gold, silver, gems. Let's rob it all. So this fellow was listening. He was a junior dacoit. So he was also listening, and he had gone for what purpose? To the Tirth. Because Guruji told him that when you go to all the Tirth and your pap comes down, this will convert into grain. Then you come, I will give you mantra and I will give you Diksha. Okay. He thought to himself, so many I have already killed. Correct? These 4 buggers are going to kill the whole village. I might as well kill them. Anyway, I am going Tirthatan. I will do one more Tirth. Doesn't really matter. So he told, Arey Baba, you don't know. I know this village completely. I will tell you the trick. You come down and I will tell you how to rob, how to burn. I am expert in this. So the robbers, they thought, Arey yaar, ye to maja aa gaya abhi. So one by one, it was a very huge banyan tree. One by one, they started coming down. Abhi itna huge banyan tree, they don't know what is happening. So dense. First one came down, he stabbed him, finished. Second, finished. Third, finished. Fourth, finished. Now he's saying, so what? I have to do one more Tirthana. Anyway, I have to do Tirthatan, doesn't matter. So he picked up his lathi and he was about to leave. And what happened? The lathi turned green. He was amazed. He said, what is this? Impossible. He ran to his would-be Guruji. He said, Guruji, he said, I told you to do Tirthatan. What happened? You come. He said, no, that I am going. But without going there, it has turned green. He said, you must have done something. So he told what I have done. There were 4. And I killed all of them. He said, well, in your consciousness, you have saved the entire village. And therefore, it has turned green. I will give you Diksha. So this is how what we think. Even on our health. We should remind each other, don't think ill of other person. Not that one should say this for selfish reasons. What is the selfish reason? Don't think ill of others. What is the selfish reason? Because if I will think ill of others, I will become ill. This is the selfish reason. So if you don't think ill of others, mind will be peaceful, health will be better. So at least that is the main. बाकी तो आगे की बात तो ऊंचा है, वो तो छोड़ो उसको, ये बेसिक. ग्रंथ श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. चिल्ड्रन मस्ट बी वेटिंग डेस्परेटली. आ जाओ भैया. ऐसा करते हैं, फर्स्ट वी विल डू नरसिम्हा आरती, देन वी विल डू केक कटिंग. अदरवाइज लेटर ऑन आई विल नॉट फाइंड एनीबडी. आ जाओ. टुडे इज शनाया's birthday, Kamal Prabhu's daughter, and Prabhuji and Mataji have brought nice cake. So we will cut the cake. हाँ जी. ज्ञांश प्रभु इधर इधर आ जाओ. आ जाओ. हाँ भाई रेडी. चलो. नमस्ते. सरदाई. Namaste Narasimha. Everybody. Everybody together. Dalika. Kano minna. Hey. Dalika. One more time. Jagadisha. Jai Lakshmi Narasimha. Nitayura